The Huawei Nova 15 arrives as a sleek and modern smartphone released on December 22, 2025, built for users who want strong performance packed into a refined body. It weighs 196 grams with a slim 7.2mm profile, making it feel balanced and comfortable in hand. The phone runs on HarmonyOS 6.0 and comes with either 256 or 512 GB of storage paired with 12 GB of RAM, giving it plenty of room for apps, media, and multitasking. It supports dual nano SIMs and offers solid durability with an IP65 rating for dust resistance and protection against low-pressure water exposure. If you are enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to subscribe and like for more tech content like this. The display is one of the highlights here, featuring a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED panel that delivers rich colors and smooth motion. With support for 1 billion colors, HDR Vivid, and a 120Hz refresh rate, everything from scrolling to video playback feels fluid and sharp. The resolution sits at 1084 by 2412 pixels, giving it a crisp look with strong clarity for everyday use. The screen is protected by aluminosilicate glass and offers an impressive screen-to-body ratio of nearly 89%, making content feel immersive without unnecessary bulk. Powering the Nova 15 is the Kirin 8020 chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM across both storage options. This setup is designed to handle multitasking smoothly while keeping the system responsive under load. HarmonyOS 6.0 ties everything together with an optimized experience that works seamlessly with the hardware. Whether switching between apps or handling demanding tasks, the phone is clearly built to stay fast and efficient throughout daily use. On the camera side, the Huawei Nova 15 brings a capable dual rear setup. The main camera uses a 50-megapixel wide sensor with dual-pixel autofocus, delivering detailed shots with reliable focusing. Alongside it is a 12-megapixel telephoto lens offering 3 times optical zoom and optical image stabilization, making it useful for both portraits and distant subjects. Features like HDR, panorama, and a color spectrum sensor help improve overall image quality in various lighting conditions. Video recording is equally solid, with support for 4K and Full HD recording along with gyro-based stabilization. HDR Vivid is available for video as well, helping maintain balanced exposure and color accuracy. Whether recording casual clips or more polished footage, the camera system is designed to keep things stable and sharp. The overall camera experience feels well-rounded and versatile for everyday creators. On the front, the Nova 15 features a 50-megapixel selfie camera with an ultra-wide lens. This makes it ideal for group selfies and wide-angle shots while maintaining good detail. It also supports HDR and can record video in 4K and 1080p, giving content creators more flexibility. The front camera setup is clearly designed to match the quality and consistency of the rear cameras. Audio and connectivity are well covered here, with stereo speakers delivering clear sound for media and calls. While there is no headphone jack, the phone supports advanced wireless audio through Bluetooth version 6 with high-quality audio codecs. Connectivity options include modern Wi-Fi standards, precise multi-band GPS support, NFC, infrared, and a USB Type-C port with OTG support, making it well-equipped for everyday wireless and wired needs. Battery life is another strong point of the Huawei Nova 15. It packs a large 6,000 mAh battery designed to last through heavy daily use. Charging is fast and efficient with support for 100-watt wired charging, along with multiple fast charging standards. There is also reverse wired charging available, making it possible to power up other devices when needed. In terms of design and build, the phone uses a glass front, a plastic frame, and an aluminum back, striking a balance between durability and weight. It is available in black, white, purple, and green, giving users a variety of style options. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor adds convenience while keeping the design clean and functional. Overall, the Huawei Nova 15 stands out as a well-rounded device with a strong display, capable cameras, long battery life, and fast charging, all wrapped in a slim and modern design. It brings together solid hardware and software in a package aimed at users who want performance and reliability without compromise. If you found this overview helpful, make sure to subscribe and like for more tech content like this.